Good morning, guys. Candy here. Today, I'm going to show you how to contour. Okay? So we are going to use my Pharmacy all-in-one palette. See? It's got your dark for your contour, your highlight, and your blush. That's all you need. Okay? So I'm going to show you how to do this. Then I'm going to show you an easy little hack for my Dip It eyeliner that I love. Okay, so let's start with the contour. All right, first you need a good contour brush, which I like to use this double-ended brush right here. It's actually from It Cosmetics. Came with my little samples I got from them. So what we're going to do first is you're going to take and you're going to dip it in the darker, of course. Duh. All right, get you a little bit on that. I like to have it off so you don't have a bunch of excess. Okay. Then you're going to do your cheeks like this so you can define your cheekbone right here. So do that. And listen, if you're over 50, don't come past right here, because if you do, it's going to make your face look long like that. So we want to do it and stop right there. So get you a little more in here. Do your fish face. Ta-da! See there? You stop right there. You come down here, it's gonna, trust me, just trust me, it ain't gonna look right. Okay. Dip you some more, do your other side. Remember? Stop. See where I'm stopping? You don't want to go past the end of your nose. Stop right there. Normally, I would do my forehead, but with this beautiful hair of mine, I don't want to mess it up, so I'm not going to go above and do all that. But normally, guys, you would just, under your hairline, you would tap and go on those edges and tap and go on those edges, but I'm not going to do it with Candy. Candy doesn't need it. Okay. Tap, tap. Then you want to go right here. Get behind your ear. That's the key. Behind your ear right there, start, and then just come along your jawline. Come along your jawline. Like that. See how it's drawing my, making my jaw stick out? I mean, not stick out. Shit. Shoot. Did not mean to cuss. Like that. See that? And see, you won't be able to see it when you look up like this. See? And you don't want to come past here. I learned that the hard way. If you come back there, you're going to look like you got, if you have a double chin, you're going to look like you have 4 or 5 chins. So let's not do that. Okay. And come right here. Behind the ear. Okay. Come along just on your jawline right there like that. Stop. See? Ta-da! Look at that chiseled jawline. Don't that just look so good? Okay. There's that. Now, this, you can also turn around, use this little end, take a little bit of the dark, and you can also come right here and define the bridge of your nose. Just stop right there. Same thing on this side. See how that just kind of defines your features right there? Stop right there. See? Especially if you have like a bigger nose. I really don't have to do this, but I was just trying to show y'all. If you have a bigger nose, it can make your nose look a little more narrow. So you don't, it's not so wide. If you have a wide nose, that's what I'm trying to say. All right, so we're going to put this one up. Then we're going to find our, I try to use the same brush for everything else. So I get my handy dandy blush brush. Okay. Now, ooh, Candy's hair be looking good. I like this color, y'all. What y'all think? It reminded me of cotton candy, so instead of having a name contest this time, I just named myself. All right, so here we go. Ta-da! Handy dandy palette again. Blush brush. Tap it in the blush. Tap it off. Okay, go. Look up. I know, ain't that beautiful? You just like your cheek. Hook up, and you just dot, 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 dot. Dot, 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 like that. Okay. Do the other side. Got it right there, just really on the fat part of your cheek. That's what you want to do. See that? Okay. Then I like to go swish just on top of your contour. Right on top of it. Ta-da! And y'all, if you're a youngin', you can use highlighter But us old folks don't need to use no highlighter, because when you do, see all that? You're going to highlight that, and it's going to highlight that. Exactly what I say. Now, I do like to put just a dot on my chin. Right there. And back to the other brush. Just another little trick I just happened to think of. If you want to make your bottom lip look a little more pouty, take you a little bit of your contour. Ta-da! Don't ask me what I'm doing. And see that little fat part of your lip right there? Line a little bit of it like that. See? Makes your bottom lip look pouty. I wish there was something I could do about my top lip. I ain't figured that out yet. You just go like that, right, y'all? Ain't that what all these people are doing now? Their top lips going like they got a lip lift or something. They go, I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know. But anyway, thanks for watching, Candy. That's our contour lesson. Stay tuned to watch for more, because she'll be coming along, and her friend No Name Yet, it's going to be blonde or silver, is coming to show you how to do eyes for that color hair and that color eyes. Candy signing off. We will be back another day to show you more. And again, Pharmacy all-in-one palette. I also used Pharmacy on my eyebrows. I used Pharmacy eyeliner in black. It's for both. Oh yeah, I was going to show y'all the dip liner trick. Let me show you that real quick before we leave. I love this stuff, but if you ever try to like freehand it, I swear to, like a 5-year-old took a magic marker and drew on your eye. I mean a permanent one. The one them wide ones, you know what I'm talking about? That won't come out. So let me just show you a trick. I'm going to have to use my handy dandy side mirror for this, because I can't see as it is. And I can't wear glasses and put makeup on, so, you know, go figure. Alright, but if you close your eye and you already put your eyeliner on, you know how I showed y'all the other day, the tip from going to edge, and then close your eye and you can see where. Let me show y'all that real quick, in case you missed it. Eyeliner. Alright, look. When you're doing your bottom, you know, you go up here and you stop right there while your eye's open. And if you close your eye, that gives you the starting point to come down and make your little cat eye. See, just like that. Alright. If you want to make it a little deeper, because this is called deep liner, you can just, you've already got it there. Just close your eye and go right over the top of what you just did. Over to the middle. And it looks darker and deeper. You see that? Then you don't have to freehand it, because, oh my gosh, negative. I do not want to look like my grandson got a hold of a magic marker and went around my eyeballs, because that's what it would look like. Alright, y'all. Hope you enjoyed today's tips. Hope you enjoyed Candy. I like Candy. I kind of like Candy. But anyway, have a wonderful Monday. And if I can help you with any of this stuff that I just showed you, hit me up. I can get it for you and get it to you very, very quick. And remember, Pharmacy is not cheap. It's inexpensive. All right, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.